Today's topic is on computer networks. I know everyone is aware with this and everyone is using this in a current world, but not everyone is aware with all the three types, right? So what is computer network? The network is broad term similar to the system. First thing, it is a communication system which supports many users. The interconnections of one station to many stations is known as networking. The computer network is defined as the interconnection of two or more computers. By some way we are connecting them, and that network is known as interconnection, right? Now, types of networks. There are basically three categories on the basis of geographical area. Geographical area, that means the area surrounded to you, yeah, surrounding to you. There is some range should be defined for the each and every kind of computer networks. First one is local area network. Second one is MAN, that is metropolitan area network. See, I didn't say LAN because everyone is but no one is knowing the maybe full form of it. So it is local area network. Then metropolitan area network, and the third one is wide area network, that is WAN. So there are basically three categories of it: LAN, MAN, and WAN. Let's start with the LAN. LAN is a network which is designed to operate over a small physical area, such as an office, factory, or a group of buildings, or maybe up till society or house area. It is widely used in a variety of applications. LAN are very easy to design and for the troubleshooting even. PCs are interconnected via LAN. So if there is a computer lab or anything, so there is a connection with the LAN. The exchange of information and sharing of resources becomes easy because of LAN. LAN connects all the machines by a single cable. Different types of topologies such as bus, star, ring. See, these topologies I will taught you in the next lecture. So for the topologies understanding, go for my next lecture please. For LAN, LAN is capable for operating at hundreds of megabits per second. So it's helpful to send and receive the megabits per second data in a second. And the data rates for LAN can new range from 10 Mbps through to 1 Gbps. So this is the range by which we can transfer a data by LAN. Second one is MAN. So it is a bigger version of LAN and normally uses similar technology. So it's also uses bus, star, ring, mesh, whatever hybrid or topologies. The MAN and be in the form of single network such as a cable network. It can be a combination of multiple LAN as shown in the figure. See, it can be like this. This is LAN, this is LAN, right? Now it may be widely owned and operated by a private company, or it may be a service provided by a public company such as local telephone company, telco. So MAN can be like this. It's a publicity network. It can be connected with each other. So there are so many LANs and which can be connected with the help of MAN. WAN, that is wide area network. A WAN is a network spans a large distance, or when the computers to be connected to each other are at widely separated locations. A local area network can't be used, right? When if you transmit to some connect to PCs from one country to another, you cannot use LAN or MAN. It is its range is already defined up till at least 5 to 10 kilometers. You cannot go more far than that. So for such situations, a wide area network must be installed. The communication between different users of WAN is established using leased telephone lines or satellite links. That means by the link through satellite, or it is wireless, and similar channels. In this, it is very cheaper and more efficient to use the phone network for the links. WAN are used for transferring large blocks of data between its users. So there should be, if its first advantage is range is very high, and second is it can share so much data, right? Example is airline reservation system. A WAN provides long distance transmission of data, voice, image, and video information over large geographical areas that may comprise a a country and a continent, or even the whole world, shown in figures. So see, there are different men, and those men are connected with each other, and they are going to make a WAN. Host is large computer. It can provide service to too many computers. Right? See, those are different, and those are connected to a single part of. So it is known as WAN. So this all are types of computer networks. Thank you.